So now let's review all the sounds we've learned today. S, right? A, p, t, I, n. So we have s, a, p, t, I, n. Can you do those? You do it now. Now what we're going to do, we're going to blend those sounds in a few words. And you're going to see how you are going to be able to read them. And if you know how to make the tracing of each of these symbols of these letters, you're going to be able to read them as well. I didn't tell the name of them, right? Because they all have names. This is letter S, A, P, T, I, N. The most important here are the sounds they make because we're blending the sounds. Now let's make some words as I told you. The boy is sitting down. So the word is sit. He's gonna sit. What do you hear here? Sit. Sit. Right? So you need a s, it. Remember our things? S, it, s, it. 3 sounds that we've seen before. Each one needs a letter. S, it. So I have s, it. 3 sounds like this. Now we're gonna blend them. You know what you can do to blend them together? Instead of just push them, squeeze them together, first we're gonna stretch them really big. Okay? We're gonna stretch the sounds. So we start sit, sit. Now we blend them. Sit. Let's see if it works. Sit. Now we have a word. Sit. He's sitting down. Sit down. Sit up. Please sit. Very good. Now you know how to read and write the word sit. Let's try another one. Okay, let's make some words. What is he doing? He's sleeping, right? But he's sleeping on the couch, so we call it a nap. Nap. Do you see my mouth and the sounds are coming out? Nap. How many sounds do you hear? Nap. I heard 3. App. App. And we've seen those sounds today. For nest. A for apple. P for popcorn. App. Now we need to put the letters for those sounds. And then we write it, right? App. 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 Let's stretch. Nap. 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 We blend them. We squeeze them together and now we have a word. Nap. Take a nap. Now you can read another word. Let's try another one. So let's make some words. I wonder, that's an apple, right? But what I'm showing you, it's the inside of the apple, okay? It's the little seed. There's another way to call a seed. We call it a pip. Pip. How many sounds do you hear when I say pip? Pip. 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 P. Ip. P. Ip. Then you have, let's try, stretch. Pip. 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 Very good. Now you know another word. You ready to learn 3. You can read 3 words at least. Pip. Very good. Let's make some more. I'm liking it. Are you liking it? Imagine how many others you can do. That's a pan. A pan. How many sounds you're hearing? 3. Very good. P, N, P, A, N, P, A, N, P, A, N. Very good. Let's stretch them. Pan. Again. Pan. Pen. Pen. Very good. Now you'll know how to read pen. And you can write too if you know how to write the letters. Very good. You use a pan to cook. Let's make another one. Yay! Let's do it. Oh, we've already done that. Sit. No, this one is sat. He already sat down yesterday. Today he sits. Today he's sitting down. Yesterday he sat. 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 The snakes. A, the apple. A. T, t. Remember the top? T, s, a, t, s, a, t. Now let's stretch the sounds. Sat. And now you blend. Sat. Can you do it? Sat. 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 Very good. So that's another word. You wrote sit and you can write sat. Good job. Let's make another one. What's that? A tap. That's a tap. Listen to me. Tap. 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 How many sounds? T, ap. 3 sounds. T, ap. T, ap. Tap. Tap. Now you blend. Tap. Blend. Tap. Very good. Now you have another one. Wow, 6 words already. That's a lot.